simple recipe, simple spice and fresh ingredient, guys. Very simple to cook. Join me now. Let me show you how to cook this simple palm oil soup, guys. The smell is bursting here. Smell is bursting here, guys. So this is the fish we'll be using. It's called traveler fish. So guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. Today's recipe, guys, is going to be palm oil soup with all this fresh ingredient, guys. This is our traveler fish, plum tomato, white onions and red onions. You can use small size, any one you have, it's all good. Then we have some bell pepper. This is the bell pepper here. We got the red, green and then yellow. I don't know which color is that. Our Leek here is spelled L-E-E-K. Okay, that's that. This is give you so much flavor. Do you know this is the Leek that Queen like eating? She doesn't eat onions. How nice that is. Have some spring onions here. I'm going to have 3 spar Maggi, and then with the Veni cow head, it's really nice spice. Okay, I have this one organ. Then we also have some bonnet pepper. I have 2. Also have some bay leaf because it's country soap. We want it to smell really nice, natural flavor. I'll be using, guys. I got my black pepper and white pepper mixed with other spices, guys. So palm oil for the country palm oil soup, guys. Today I'll be cooking country palm oil soup for you guys. This fish is boneless. It doesn't have a lot of bones, as you can see there. I've cleaned it. Fresh plum tomato like this. You can always go with this thin one. It's really nice as well from Lidl. Yeah, you can get it there. It's very cheap. I always use it, guys. So let's go ahead now and season the fish because I'll be frying the fish, guys. So we're going ahead now to season the fish and then we start cooking. Okay, don't forget to share and like video out. I'm not well, so I'm going to slice this off camera and season this now with you guys with simple seasonings. Then we'll go ahead and start cooking, guys. It's a simple recipe to cook, you know, with this kind of fish as well. If you don't want to fry it, you can always use it like that. It's really good. So that's the egg there. I'm going to fry with the egg as well. I like the egg, guys. So stay tuned, guys. So this is the star Maggi going in. So the onga going in as well. The cow head is going as well. This is just the black pepper and the white pepper going in. 1 spoon is enough. So once you add all the seasonings, you go ahead and mix and leave to marinate, guys. Because it's the video, usually I would just do it overnight. You don't have to use the kind of spice I'm using. You can use any kind of spice to season your fish and cook your palm oil soup as well, guys. I'm going ahead now and pour some oil, which is 100 ml, because I'll be frying the fish. If you want to grill your fish or just use it for the palm oil soup, so once I've fried everything, guys, this fish is so nice. You can fry it and grill it or just cook it with the palm oil soup raw like that. Look for the fish that is really solid. It doesn't fall apart if you don't fry it. If you want to use it like that to take the palm oil soup, or frying it, it's much better way. Okay, then look for fish that doesn't have too much bone. Don't forget to check the heat so that the fish will not burn, so you can have the perfect finished look, just like so brown and crunchy outside, guys. Look at that. That's done. Once we fry the fish, we're going to start the rest of the cooking, guys. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Comment below with anything you would like me to cook next, guys. As you can see, I've sliced everything. I'm going to pour the palm oil, which is like
100 ml, or you can use 50 ml depending the size you'll be
Or you
using, guys.
slice, you dice it very small like this, not too big, so that you don't want it.
Or if you want, you can also blend it. If you don't want to dice it very small like that, you can also blend. So I'm going ahead now and add some of the spring onions just to add flavor and go in with the white onions, red onions. I'm adding the plum, fresh tomato, and the leek. Yeah, all is going in now. I'll just stir. Once I finish stir, I'll add the seasonings later. I'm just gonna leave it to steam out for 5 minutes. Then I'll go ahead and add the seasonings: bay leaf, the star Maggi, and then the cow head, and some of the onga. So
Black pepper and the white pepper, mix seasonings, yeah.
then I'll stir everything. You can taste. If you need to add salt, you go with salt. The tin tomato water I'm just adding there. Then with some
Add water, just for everything to cook well.
add the bell pepper, few of them, guys. Cover with the lid and leave it to steam for 10 minutes. Then you stir. As you can see, everything is cooking very well there. The flavor, it's bursting in.
Turn the heat down now. Let it cook slowly because the fish is fried. Once this is cooked, add the fish. That's it. You can have it with rice, your fufu, pounded yam, anything. Very nice.
Just gonna leave it to cook slowly now. Let it boil. Then I will add the fish. Once I add the fish, then that's it. As you can see, everything is cooking, coming together. The palm oil soup, it's looking delicious. Once you use good palm oil, that's it. I'm going ahead now and add the fish. Look for a good fish that doesn't have too much bone, like this traveler fish. It's really, really nice, guys. Oh, that
Prepared with the palm oil going everywhere, guys. I'm just putting the bonnet pepper now at this stage.
wow, guys, your family will love this on a Sunday afternoon, morning, lunchtime. Oh, God.
Just put that the spring onion. Put the lid on. The next time we come, it's ready, guys.
Voila, it's all ready, guys. That's the palm oil soup. It's all ready, guys. As you can see how it's looking, really nice and delicious smelling.
Palm oil soup, guys. If you haven't tried it, try it. You can have it with fufu. You can have it with rice. It's so simple to cook and the flavors are just natural, guys. Yes.
Time to serve with rice, guys. Join me. It was delicious, guys. I hope you get to try it. If you do, please don't forget to comment and like and share as well.
Guys, the palm soup is ready.
This fish is one of the fish that it will boil and boil. It will never fall apart, guys.
Guys, simple but nice.
I'm telling you about this fish. It will boil. It will never fall apart. It's very solid. It doesn't have too much bone. Children can have it. Adult, even old people can have it, you know. So guys, I hope you get to enjoy the video. If you do, please give a thumbs up, share, comment, and let me know what you would like me to cook next for you guys. See you soon, guys.